Intruder alarms are now extremely common, and most houses and most flats tend to have an intruder alarm installed. They are absolutely brilliant, they protect your property and they make thieves go elsewhere. But when they go wrong, they can cause a few problems and they can upset the neighbours, and they're also an indication that there is a fault on the alarm, so people tend to ignore it. This particular one here is actually a remote control for the main alarm. So before we do anything, we need to go and find the main control panel. The other day we had a power cut at 3 o'clock in the morning and the alarm started blaring outside the property, which woke up everybody in the house. It probably also woke up a few neighbours. When that happens, it means that your internal battery backup isn't working. So what I've done is I have gone and I've purchased a new battery. So now all we need to do is swap the old battery for the new battery. So we've now located the main control panel here, and we need to remove this cover and then the battery will be in there. When you actually remove this cover, the alarm is going to go into tamper mode. So you need to know your number, because you're going to have to put your number in here quickly to silence the alarm. So it's essential that this battery in here is kept in good condition. You can test it by switching off the electricity. If you switch off the electricity, your alarm should not make any noise whatsoever. And when you switch the electricity back on, your alarm should just be as normal. When you switch the electric off and your alarm starts sounding, you've got a problem with your backup battery. The backup batteries that are in here normally last about 5 years. So we're just going to remove the screws now. When I remove the screws and I remove the front cover, the alarm will go into tamper, so I'll need to put the actual number in to silence the alarm. And as you heard, it just went into tamper mode because we removed the front cover. So if we take a look here, you can see the big battery, and that's a dead giveaway because it's all rippled on the front of there, so it does look like it's been damaged. So we're just going to unplug that. So you can now take that to the shop and you can get a replacement battery. I've already got a replacement, so we're just going to plug it straight in. So this is the new battery, and we just need to check the polarity. And as you can see, we've got positive for that side, negative for that side. So all we need to do is take the spare connectors and just connect those back onto the new battery. And that's how easy it is. So the next time the power is cut to this property, the backup battery will work and we shouldn't have a problem at all. The alarm will not go off. So we now just need to replace the front cover, and that will just push back on there. And we can now just put the 2 screws back in. Once you've done that, you can just press reset and that will reset the alarm.